Today we're making potato wedges in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. I'm using 2 russet potatoes for this recipe, which I've already washed. Each potato will give us 8 wedges. I'll cut it in half, then cut the half in half, then I'll have those as well. I'll put them into a gallon-sized Ziploc bag for easier cleaning, but it is okay to use a bowl instead. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then coat the wedges with the oil. Let's make our seasoning mix. I'll add half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add your seasoning mix to the bag and coat the wedges well. Then add 1/4 a cup of Parmesan cheese and again coat the wedges. Get a baking sheet and cover it with aluminum foil. Spray the foil with cooking spray. And add your wedges skin side down. Then bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for around 30 to 35 minutes or until golden brown and tender. Then they are done. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up and thanks for watching.